Alright, so today the homie Jaime brought his truck over. So we're going to be installing basically the same sub that we have, but let's get some shots of both the trucks. Looking clean. Oh, clean but dirty. Then of course, you know, the star of the show. But yeah. See if we can get a little shot of both of them. But yeah, so we're gonna be installing a sub into this thing today. So it shouldn't be too bad. He's got an old box in there. We're gonna get rid of that. Probably have to pull the seats out and stuff. And then well, at least this passenger one for sure. I don't know, we'll see. But we'll take some video during the process, get a little content out, and then see how it sounds at the end. Alright, so we got the seat out. Homie's in there cleaning it up. It's a mess in there. Got some old wiring. I don't even know where that wiring goes, but we're gonna figure out where we're gonna mount this one right here. Hopefully I don't get a copyright with the music in the background, but I'm gonna disconnect the battery so we don't have to worry about any arc or anything. And I think I'm gonna put that thing right here somewhere. But just a little update. And we got the box out. It's actually a pretty nice box, but so if he's not happy with this little speaker, we might have to go to something like this. But we'll see. Alright, so we got this in there. We'll just use the existing bolt right there. Oop, let me scroll down here so we can get it in frame. But I think that's gonna be good. So we'll connect here and then here to the amp down. Should be good. Alright, so I just want to video what these jank car stereo shops do all the time. So we took it off already, but you can see right here, this is what they do. They just put a bunch of self-tappets. You can see right here, they had this in there. We took it off, but that's ridiculous. There's a ground post right here, straight to the body. I mean, come on, seriously? So I'm gonna I cut a little piece of this kill mat. We're gonna stick it on there, cover up those holes. But that's ridiculous. So I just want to show that. I don't know why car stereo shops do that. We learn, you fool.
Hey, on the color.
All right. So homie thinks he knows what's on the trucks. He thinks it's pewter. What year was your truck?
Mine was the 05.
Okay, look it up. 05. The truck was a silver birch.
It was a different color.
No, it wasn't. So let's get back to the update while I school the homie. So we did mount. We ran the 4-gauge wire to the little block right here. You can see that. We ran it down. The homie got down there, so let's hope he did a good job. He's cleaning it up. We got the wire. Let me check it out real quick. So we got the wire in here. Put a little grommet. Let me see here. See a little grommet right there coming through. Ran it. Coming over here. He took the jack out. He's just cleaning that up right now. And we got the turn on going good. We're going to have to extend that. Let me see. We got the RCAs. Hopefully those RCAs are good. And so we just we're getting close here. So we still have the dash apart because we want to put it back together just in case. But that's the update. Let's keep going. What is it? What is it?
I'm looking for it right now.
Oh, it's silver birch. No, you got to look up 05.
I have 05. I have 05. Because when we did color code, when we worked for Valley Oxygen, because that's where I was at, it did not match
pewter
it.
was
It went a different color.
You know what? We're gonna give an update on this.
And your 02, was it your 02 that?
No, my 01 was pewter.
01 was
I had
pewter,
a 01 pewter.
and it was 3 different
But
codes
my
on that
05 was silver birch.
Yours
And so
silver
was
birch.
yours.
Mine was off. Mine was a lighter color.
I don't know.
And when we did the code, it did not match.
What do you think, Jaime?
Silverado gray.
Silverado gray. We'll see. To be continued.
I had to get the burner.
All right, so the fat guys had to eat. You know, fat guys eat.
44 ounces.
So we got done eating while the skinny guy kept working. Nah, he ate too. You know what? Let me go on the other side. Well, so we got a lot of work done here. Pretty much. Let me go to the other side. We're almost done here. We're on the home stretch. We're about to test it out, but you can see down here at the bottom. Let me turn the light on. So we got everything in right here. Going. Oops. So we're gonna tidy that up a little bit right there. Put the little cover on. Clean up all this mess, and then we're gonna test it out. And we're gonna see what happens. All right, moment of truth. We're going to push it in, push the little circuit breaker in, and see if it explodes before we turn the key. Oh, maybe the kid did it right. Let's go check it out. Let's see. He's ready to try it out. Turn the key. Hopefully nothing smokes. Well, you didn't have to start it, but let's see what happens here. Trying to find some music. Oh shit, there it is. Hey, bumping. Put it down and then up. See if it actually works. Alright, I better kill this because turn it down? Yeah.
Bass knob not
Alright, so it's working, so we're gonna button all this stuff up and then we'll get some little hits at the end, but let's get it all back together. Okay, well, we got some bad news. So the dude who had the truck before Jaime, he had a bass knob right here. So we were hoping it was gonna work, but it doesn't. And then come to find out that the wire, the RJ11 connection for that one is only a 4-wire, and the one that comes in our bass knob is a 6-wire. So we're gonna have to fish this through, and I mean it's not that big of a deal, but just do it right now and get it done. But he's not gonna be able to use that bass knob, which sucks. So we're gonna have to figure out where to put this other one. But so and better to get it figured out now. But just an update. All right, so we got the right one in there, and it's bumping. Dang. Might have to chop this up probably so we don't get a copyright, but yeah. All right, so we're just gonna put everything back together. Sounds pretty good. Let's get it back together. Oh, all right. So yeah, right. So you got it all in there. Oh, let me get some light here. It's dark as hell. All right, so everything's in there. The seat's back in, and I think we got it all. We ended up mounting his bass knob right here. If he wants to move it, he can move it later, but plenty of slack. But everything's good, so we're just gonna clean up. Then we're gonna do a little sound test and call it good. Hey, shit bumps, fool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Another satisfied blue collar live customer. Yup. Got the compressors going, got the bumps. Take a shot of the trucks sitting together. Yup. There it is. Some more beat, put in the truck. Little by little, it's getting better and better. We'll call it good. There he goes. Another satisfied customer. Nah, it's a homie. We don't charge for love with the homies. Peace, everybody.